Yes, we know, this is not the first time we talk about ADA hitting $10. So many of these predictions have gone under the bridge, but none have come to light. The volatile nature of the crypto market is not helping. The SEC is actively searching for securities, and Cardano ADA seems like it's intentionally sinking into the deep. However, this familiar update might lighten your moods today. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other top 10 cryptocurrencies, including BNB, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Tron, Solana, and Polygon's Matic, have swung wildly amid rumors of a secret US alliance to destroy crypto. So far, the Bitcoin price has added over 50%, thus triggering a wave of bullish price predictions. But its rally has suddenly stalled, sparking a serious Coinbase warning. Now, as the US Federal Reserve signals that more interest rate hikes are on the way, expectations are mounting that an economic stimulus package out of China could inflate everything. Plus, China said, we're going to start to rip in trillions of dollars. Chamath Palihapitiya, a former Forbes billionaire who dropped out of the ranking in 2022 amid a crypto and stock market crash, said on the All In podcast with fellow investors Jason Kokanis and David Friedberg, if China starts to basically turn on the money printer and go through a huge spot of quantitative easing, it's just going to inflate everything because they're just such a critical artery to the world economy. Then, according to a statement released by a state news agency, Zhanghua, China's state council, announced it is considering an economic package to support its waning post-pandemic recovery, designed to expand effective demand. You can't have a hard landing when China's printing trillions of dollars. Not possible, said Chamath, who made a name for himself over the last few years through his use of SPACs. It's kind of an investment vehicle that allows for private companies to go public with less scrutiny from regulators. However, what happens to the crypto market at this moment is dependent on a plethora of factors, and this might affect Cardano ADA negatively. It's fun to be inquisitive about the market, but painful details could hurt. But hope is not lost because founders like Charles Hoskinson don't give up quite so easily. Last month, Cardano's visionary founder Charles Hoskinson tweeted about the collaboration between IOG and WMC. He noted his pride in the partnership and emphasized that Cardano was established to scale, foster interoperability, and forge an identity in applications, particularly in banking the unbanked and connecting the unconnected. This looks more like a reminder that Cardano's aims and objectives are crystal clear. And according to Hoskinson, the ADA coin price hitting the peak is just one of the perks that will come along the way. Cardano is an undeniable proof of rigorous academic research and meticulous development, built on a solid foundation that anticipates the future needs of the global economy. It is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform aiming to be the world's financial operating system. It has been developed from the ground up and informed by scientific philosophy as well as peer-reviewed academic research. With the euphoria of collaboration between IOG and WMC, Hoskinson noted, I've always been proud of the wonderful collaboration between WMC and IOG, as well as their work utilizing Cardano. Cardano was built for these types of applications that require scale, interoperability, and identity. Banking the unbanked requires connecting the unconnected. Input Output Global is the organization responsible for constructing Cardano from the ground up, and its collaboration with WMC reflects the network's intent to build a robust ecosystem that empowers individuals and communities. This partnership aims to realize Cardano's vision of banking the unbanked, a mission that is now more possible than ever, courtesy of the platform's capabilities. Interoperability is another strong factor for Cardano. It's designed to interact seamlessly with other blockchains, a feature that is integral in today's interconnected digitized world. But why are we giving you these details? We're just trying to justify the remarkable involvement of Charles Hoskinson in the Cardano ecosystem. To an extent, he is not like the new Twitter owner Elon Musk, whose perspective about his acclaimed favorite coin Doge seems to be wavering every second. There was a time the controversial entrepreneur cautioned investors not to stake everything on the main cryptocurrency, even though they're often propelled to make this decision due to his endless memes and tweets about Doge. Regardless of this warning, Musk openly expressed that Dogecoin holds a special place for him, ascribing the coin's appeal to his characteristic humor and his canine motif. Musk reaffirmed that Dogecoin as his personal favorite in the realm of digital currencies. The Cardano founder is making unbeatable efforts to assure investors that he's not backing off from the ecosystem. He's made so many predictions about Cardano and will stick along to see them hit fulfillment. A $10 price prediction for ADA is highly expected because Cardano is not suffering from a slack beginning and a negligent founder. Systems like this are not expected to fail, and feel free to stick to your opinions, but this is nothing but the bitter truth. Recently, Hoskinson has been making constructive efforts to embrace Ripple. The Cardano founder had a rocky relationship with XRP in the past, calling them toxic and petty. Also, after challenging their interpretation of the US Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against Ripple, Hoskinson earned the wrath of the XRP army, but now Charles Hoskinson has made a peace offer to the XRP community amidst the regulatory assault on the crypto industry. Hoskinson explained his desire for peace with the XR community. Well, both Cardano and Ripple seek to use blockchain technologies to change the financial sector, despite differences in strategy and technology. And surprisingly, Hoskinson stated that his readiness to work together. He stressed the significance of cooperation within the crypto sector, as it will eventually help the widespread adoption of blockchain technology and further urge greater collaboration, candid communication, and idea sharing for the industry to advance. This is quite sudden. But perhaps Charles Hoskinson has been taking some deep reflections recently. That or his age is taking a toll on him. Furthermore, the recent announcement regarding BlackRock's interest in establishing a Bitcoin spot trust has sent shockwaves throughout the crypto community. The news broke when a division of BlackRock submitted documentation to the US SEC, explaining its plans to create a Bitcoin spot trust. This proposal seeks to provide institutional investors with a regulated vehicle to gain exposure to Bitcoin's price movements without directly holding the digital asset. While many within the crypto community went over the moon as a result of this development, Charles Hoskinson wasn't quite as enthusiastic about it. In a Twitter post, Hoskinson criticized those who celebrated the involvement of an asset management giant, claiming that their support showcased questionable ethics, mental states, and greed. And all we can really say about this is just wow. In response to Charles Hoskinson's criticisms of Bitcoin enthusiast support for BlackRock's involvement in the crypto space, a community member aired a contrasting perspective. The community member claims that while BlackRock's move may not align with the desires of most Bitcoin proponents, it could serve as a crucial step in the right direction, especially in wider adoption and recognition, not only for Bitcoin, but also for other robust projects like Cardano. However, Hoskinson responded that maximalists who hold extreme views favoring single cryptos are fanatics seeking to harm the entire industry. Hoskinson's statement suggests his criticism of those who exhibit solid loyalty to a single crypto and reject any form of compromise or collaboration. And this is true since maximalists often believe that their favored crypto is the ultimate solution and dismiss the potential benefits of other projects or institutional involvement. So I guess you're asking, how will Cardano ADA hit $10? Well, it starts now. Or have you forgotten that little things make up big feats? Cardano has been upgrading its blockchain network. In 2022, Cardano completed its Vassal upgrade, which brought further functionality to the blockchain in terms of being able to handle smart contracts. And this is where things start to get interesting for Cardano ADA. Recent Cardano upgrades have also focused on smart contract functionality, and this is key to the success in the DeFi world. At the outset of 2023, Cardano promises to make significant improvements in DeFi, and we're just now starting to see the fruit of these labors. These are accurate steps, unbeatable efforts. In January 2023, Cardano launched a new stablecoin that will make it much easier for traditional finance players to get started in DeFi on the Cardano blockchain. Cardano is also seeing the blossoming of new decentralized exchanges for trading digital assets. As a result, Cardano has seen a dramatic uptick in its total value locked metric. Until this year, Cardano was a non-player in DeFi, but now looks like Cardano is changing this narrative. This special DeFi prowess is leading to new partnerships, innovations, and new potential avenues for growth. For example, Cardano recently partnered with Accredius, a Zurich-based fundraising platform, on new lending initiatives for Swiss companies. This would have not been the case a year ago. Charles Hoskinson has not stopped talking about Cardano, and the ADA coin price is gradually inching towards the projected goal. So where are the skepticisms coming from? Above all, looking beyond the surface is key, and whether you support this opinion or not, this is why some investors are stuck with Cardano ADA. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you hit the subscribe and notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.